Don't you try this upright again. Does it look slanted or something?
No, it's your head.
Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Game Guy. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing with my brother because we've not done a video together in a very long time, and I've been saving things for a while, to be honest, from Palace to Supreme, and yeah, really picking the box. Before we get into things, I've got two things just to say that I was given for my birthday, because why not? First, we've got the storage box that was released, which I'm just going to put stickers and things in. And the second is the Superman crew neck in the grey colourway, because obviously I have the blue colourway and now I've got the grey, which Dan got me. So yeah.
Alright, I did.
Yeah.
So this is unboxing of what, just Supreme?
And Palace.
Okay.
Right, open this first because I've had this for ages. These are the stickers.
Oh, from Depop?
Yeah, you know that.
Oh, the ones that I gave you?
Yeah.
Oh, if you cut through the stickers.
Shut up. You're not cutting through the stickers, calm down. Right. Stickers.
Oh, cool. There's some I didn't give you.
Right. They're the stickers that were from...
Is that a print on a t-shirt?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I need to get that.
These are the stickers from the 40s, are they, or the winter? Yeah, they're old by this point. This is like 3 or 4. I'm a bit late unboxing these. Unboxing these, to be honest. But yeah, they're a couple of weeks old by this point.
You've tried the rest and I go f yourself.
Is that what it says?
I want that on the tee.
Oh, it does.
Can you get me that in black?
You want that in black?
Christmas.
Okay. Well, there's Christmas sorted.
That's cool.
But yeah, you've got the cheese. You've got that one.
Life tea.
Yeah, life tea. You've got the pillows tea. And that's the artist tea that they released. Cool.
That's cool, that cheese one, I like that.
Block the packaging, open that one. I hope here that they do actually give me a wrong beanie in this case. No, they haven't. Okay, so this is the striped speckle beanie that was released like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago now. And yeah, 2 box logo stickers, oh. And 2 box logo, that's it, show the address. That's good, show the address. Nice one. Right, it's 2 box logo stickers, and here's the striped speckle beanie.
I think you should have got that Gucci one, that was wicked. The colourway.
That was the Crusher.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. I said it would sell out.
Are you keeping that? Or?
Yeah, I'm keeping that one.
Palace or Supreme?
Palace, probably. Okay, so this is my Palace piece for their, I think it was the last week of the season, or their last week of the season. I didn't actually know that it was the last week until I saw that people said, because now all they're going to do is their Ultimo range that they released, or their Ultimo 2019 range. But yeah, this is from the final week, which I was waiting for the main part of their winter season, which is one of the better seasons that's come out of Palace. Did you see it at all, their winter? No? Okay.
I don't keep up to date then.
Oh, well.
Is it easy to buy on Palace? I feel like I hit me in the face.
No, it's quite easy. That bag is sick, actually, at first. Look at that bag.
Yeah.
I don't think they put stickers, no, that's orders and address. Oh yeah, they do. Well, there's one of their stickers, which I still don't get what type of sticker it is. But
it's a triangle.
No, I mean, it's normally completely black.
Yeah, but it's not, this one's white.
Yeah, I get that, but I don't get why they're sending them, that's what I'm saying.
Well, you get a box logo with
Supreme. No. Right, so.
That's cool.
This is my Palace.
Is that resealable? Or
yeah, resealable, I think. Yeah, it is. This is my Palace Duck Out Knit Crew.
No.
Yeah. This is to wear. This
sell out?
Yeah, of course.
What size do you get? Large?
Large.
Oh, that's sick.
That is sick.
Look at the arm.
Yeah, so it says, it's embroidered on there saying
the road of excess,
yeah, leads to the
palace of wisdom. Ah, put it on.
That's sick. So they released this in a hoodie as well, and the hoodie was embroidered, and people loved it as well. And as soon as I saw this, like, up as
how long did it take to sell out?
Not even a minute.
Really? What that?
Yeah, Palace is quick. Palace is quick. This season has been like one of their best. Oh, that's comfy. That's a bit uncomfortable though. That is a stupid idea. having that embroidered, but
It's cool.
tag up my neck.
Oh yeah, I'm happy.
I'm happy. You know when I saw like the motion varsity jacket? That's the same feeling. This is sick.
Slimming.
That's yeah, I just don't think that's a smart
Nah, that's cool.
idea, honestly, because I feel that way. I bend my arm and things.
Cool.
Yeah, I'll keep that on anyway.
Is there anything else in the back or not?
Not that I know of. But yeah,
It's cool.
I'll keep that on. Cool. I'm happy
The
with
neck's
that.
cool on it as well.
Yeah, it's nice. But yeah, this is the main item that I was after from this Palace season. Obviously, I copped during their week 1 of their winter season and then waited until this came out, and I'm happy that I did because it is cool. Do you want to use a knife or scissors?
Very scissors. Takes longer.
So, this item, I think the last time we actually unboxed stuff was when we opened up your one of this.
Really?
Yeah, genuinely, it's been that long. Do you know how long it's been since I did Q&A?
No.
8 months.
Yeah, but you're not very active anymore.
What do you mean I'm not very active? You're doing a worse job
There you go.
than I nearly cut me then. Right, so this is going to be a North Face piece because I took the L on the other North Face collaboration, and this one is to fill that void of losing on the other one. So, this is the there's hairs everywhere on it. This is the North Face Antarctica, or North Face Antarctica Expedition fleece jacket. Oh, what are these hairs? What is that? That's not really the condition that I saw in the picture, I'll be honest.
There's no cracking or anything though. It's just
Check the hollow. It's all good.
yeah, it's legit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, one of the reasons why it's helpful to have Dan here with me for an unboxing is purely because of the fact that I am terrible at legit checking things as well, whereas he is a lot better at doing it. It needs to go to like dry cleaners, doesn't it really? Dan, to like clean it up a bit.
No, just chuck it in the washing machine.
Right.
What's the washing instructions on it?
Probably towards the back there. It's Russian.
No, it's not English.
40, no iron, no tumble. Pretty much go with that.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It's cool.
North Face Antarctica
Just
Expedition fleece just needs a bit of a wash.
anything left in the
But
pockets?
there it is. Thank you. Still good.
Just crumbs.
Yeah, there are actually crumbs in the pockets.
Oh.
Oh my god. Seriously? Are you being serious?
Is that like DNA evidence?
Genuinely. What man? He's not a man, he's a kid.
Why is it
that's
in there?
Why is it in?
Oh, it's weird.
You don't put it on my stuff, put it in the bin. What's wrong with them? Right, anyway.
That's funny.
That's stupid.
Did you put it in the bin?
Yeah. Right. Break it. Right. And then did you try yours on with
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cool.
I prefer to wash it before putting my hands in the pockets, to be honest. But
Perfect for going to New York.
yeah, cheers. Brilliant. Thank you. But yeah, there we go. This needs a bit of a wash, then it's
Shit,
sorted.
let's sort that.
But yeah, that's cool. It is cool.
It's nice.
Yeah, that'll be a new jacket that I can actually wear more. That's all I think
But
about.
when you wear the leopard nuts, you're getting mugged.
Right, so that is going to cover this unboxing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, nothing else really to say.
Box logo soon.
Yeah, box logos will be out soon.
I've got that new bot.
Oh god, here we go.
What's it called? It cost me £80.
Are you kidding me?
Cop bot. And it's Ari Petru talks about it all the time, and I've got nothing with it. Nothing. It's terrible.
Get a refund.
So if I don't get a box logo beanie or jumper with it, I'll get a refund.
So you paid £80 for it?
£80 for cop bot. But with Ari Petru's discount code, I got it for 70. Well, I need to get Supreme and I can't get it manually anymore.
You suck. Got crap on my nice palace
no.
piece. No, don't say that. Don't say that. No.
Alright.
I can't believe you bought an £80 bot. there are other ones that people like say.
I asked you and you never came back to me.
I sent you like
Nah,
4
you
back.
didn't.
I did. I sent you back recommendations, folks. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time. Peace.
See ya. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.
You said I will see you next time.
I will see. Oh.
Peace.
No, I do not endorse.
What's the bag?
Keep that away. Phil, no, don't get it out. You do not get anything like that out.
No. Oh yeah, it's weed.
Put it.
Smell.
I don't want to. You keep it away. Phil.
That's f***ing funny, that's what that is.
It's not funny.